How to use Thinkorswim for options trading. What's going on, guys? My name is Malik, and today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to use Thinkorswim for options trading. And today I'm going to pick the XLK sector because the 1 hour time frame looks pretty good, like a good buy. So let me delete this from my chart right now. That's old markups. But let's say, for example, I'm on the 1 hour chart and the 1 hour chart looks pretty good. Oh, wait, there we go. And the 1 hour chart looks pretty good, right? And we're going to options. We're going to go to the trade tab. Okay, you're going to pick your days out. So either the weekly contracts or the monthly contracts. For me, usually I like to go anywhere between 30 to 60 days out. So this is the 60 days out monthly contracts. And usually I prefer buying a Delta 60, but that's a bit too expensive. So there are multiple ways to go about that. And which is, if you guys want more options videos on strategies to go about expensive contracts, leave a comment below and let me know, I can make a video for you guys for that. But you can either get the Delta 56, which is $810, or you can get the Delta 54, but that only has a volume of 31. I like something that's a little bit more liquid, but this is not as liquid, but it's still okay though. So like, let's say, for example, if you want to buy at the money, right? There's a pretty good amount of volume at the Delta 56, 500 open interest. So you'd click on the buy. For me, I never ever pay the net price or the mid price. I like to actually pay the bid price. So what's it called? So like, let's say people are asking for 810. I would actually go 811 and then just fill in your contracts. Basically, that's about it. But yeah, that's usually how I enter my trades. Usually when you do that though, it takes a little bit before to get filled, but you get filled at a pretty good price though. But yeah, it takes a longer time to get filled though. But you just have to sit down and wait. If it doesn't work and people are not selling to you for that price, then you increase it by like a penny or whatever like that. That's how I do it from my end though. But if you have any recommendations for me to create any more videos, leave a comment below. Let me know. I'm a pretty new YouTube channel and I'm an introvert too. I'm trying to get out of my bubble, to tell the truth. But leave a comment. Let me know what's up. Subscribe. Show some love. Like let me. I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel out, so show some love, man. I really appreciate it. All right, peace out, guys.